Hi, Jeff White from White's. A cheap startup Toyota HiAce, automatic petrol for those who don't have a manual license, etc. It's connected to fuel. It's done a fair few Ks, but it's reliable. And in the back, we've got this Truckmount. We've been servicing this for the last 2 years, but it's a 454 Sapphire with 2,800 hours in it. That's a strong machine. And round the side here we do have a chemical shelf. So inside it's got a chemical shelf and a fair bit of room if you want to put a portable in as well. But it's priced accordingly, and but for someone wanting to start out, prepared to give it a bit of love as well, that's a very cheap rig to get going. Thank you.